What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Shay and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Today's video, y'all get to see me live and direct. How you doing? Okay, today we are doing our Ipsy and our Boxycharm unboxing. I got these a while ago, but I've been so, I wouldn't say busy, I just held off on it. Brain fart wasn't on my mind. So today we are going to get a shit popping, opening up these things and seeing what we got. As y'all know, I already do Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxing, well, sneak previews on my channel. So if y'all are not familiar with that, make sure y'all go and check out the previous videos. I'll have one up here, should pop up sometime today. Okay, but yeah, without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all got in y'all Boxycharm. Let me see a little something. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias as well. But anyway, let's get on to this video, y'all. Okay, I don't know where I left off, but Ipsy is a $9.99 subscription. They are upgrading, blah blah blah. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. Has a nice little mask embroidered in it. It's a nice little seductive little mask. Peekaboo Halloween trick or treat. And so for the first thing I got was this brush. This brush is by, I don't know, but it looks like this. I'm gonna open it for you guys. I like the glitter. Yes, it's like a nice little blending brush. Here it is right here up close, and it has little rhinestones on it, and this is glitter. So yeah, it's very soft. Yes, I love. Okay, this is good. Oh, here's the name right here. It's called SL Miss Glam, and this is the L50 brush. So yeah, we got a new brush. I'm going to use that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, let's start off with the card. The card says, who said nights were for sleep? October's Ipsy. And then on the back it says a whole bunch of stuff on the lip shade that they have in here that I don't think I got. But the first thing that I popped out, and most of the stuff I put in my giveaways anyway. So if I don't think I'll use it, I will put it in my giveaway, or if I have like a duplicate of it, I'll put it in my giveaway. So make sure y'all look out for that, because once I hit 1K on Instagram, I will be having a big old giveaway. Okay, so this is the Nomad Stockholm number 3, and this is in Nordic Lights Intense Eyeshadow. This is what the packaging looks like. And I don't really like keeping things like this, so I might just put this in my giveaway. But this is the number 3, and this is what the shade looks like here. It's a nice little in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one away. I'm gonna put this in my giveaway. So that's a nice little sample size. Put it right here in my giveaway box. Okay, and the next thing that we popped up, oh, and don't mind my face, I am going to be testing out the Boxycharm face mask, and so I look a little dry. My face is washed and everything. Okay, so the next thing I have is a blush from Space Case Cosmetics. This is in the shade Cosmic Gangster. I think that's what it's called. Let me open it to see. It's a nice little rosy mauvey pink. This is Space Case, yeah, Cosmic Gangster. It looks like this. The packaging, pretty packaging. And then this is what the shade looks like here. Nice little pink, bubblegum pink. So I'll be using that in another video, or the next clip when I show all the try-ons. I'm keeping that. We could keep that. Okay, so the next thing that I pulled up was a Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry parched skin. Looks like this. This is from First Aid Beauty, and it's a nice little deluxe size, so I'm definitely going to be using this. and it's allergy tested and fragrance free for dry and parched skin, which is I need right now, but we're going to use that in a future video. Well, the next video should be of me trying on all this Boxycharm stuff, so it's going to be a part 2, y'all. Alright, and then the next but last thing that we got is a lip gloss from MAC, y'all. And this is in the shade Love Child. We have a MAC lip gloss, y'all. It is travel size, so, but I'ma still love it all the same. So this is what it looks like here. Y'all know I'm gonna keep this, okay? I'm gonna keep this. Let me see what the shade looks like. It's a nice little mauvey pink shade, and it has a little bit of iridescent pink rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but that's what that looks like. So that is all the stuff that we got for our Ipsy. Best believe I'm going to be using 3 of the 5 products that four of the 5. So we got one that it was okay. It wasn't my style, my shade type, but you know, there are sometimes hit and misses. But the moment that y'all have been waiting for is, guess what? My Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm. Boxycharm. Yes, the Boxycharm. Alright, so this month's theme for Boxycharm is, drumroll please, Alter Ego. Alter Ego. And in the back, as usual, they have your 10% off coupon. This one is for It Cosmetics mascara, or just 10% off your next purchase plus 3 free samples. Just use that code. I'll probably put it down below, so if y'all are interested, make sure y'all look down below for that coupon code. So first things first is all the products listed here and their price. I don't know if it says what the retail price is for this box, but yeah, let's get into it, okay? So the first thing that I am pulling out is the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream from Ahava. It looks like this. And it's just a hand cream that drenches your skin into velvety smoothness. So I'm going to put that on right now. We're going to put that on right now. We're going to test it out. And since it is a hand cream, I could just plop it on my hands. I tried it on, y'all. Ooh, it smells good too. Almost like a baby lotion or an Avon lotion. Y'all ever brought them Avon lotion? Oh, y'all grandmother gave y'all that Avon lotion for Christmas. You know she did. But I used that. Then we have the It Cosmetics. This is the super, oh, hold on. That lotion retails for $10, okay? $10 for the hand cream. We have the Superhero It Cosmetics Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It says it's 96% look stretched, 96 saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash line. So this is what that looks like there. I'm not going to open it because I have plenty of other mascaras, but I will test it out in it's the Boxycharm and Ipsy try on haul, which video which be up after this one. So the next thing I got, that one retailed for $24. So $24 for the It Cosmetics mascara. The next thing I got was a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Bow and Arrow. I was either looking for this or Lolita. So I'm glad I got this one. I'm always on the hunt, you know, for a nudie, okay? Nudie but ready. Okay, yes, this is nice. So this is what the shade looks like here. Y'all know I'm going to be keeping this. Let me open it for you guys. Swatch it on the hand right there. Yes. And this is what the shade looks like right here. Okay, Boxycharm always be doing it. They always be putting that one little extra oomph in it to make me want to stay. Like, y'all making me want to stay, Boxycharm. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. That one retailed for $20. $20 for Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. Okay, so the next thing, which I'm probably going to put in my giveaway, is Don't Despair Repair Briogeo. whoever. Okay, so this is a strength and moisture leave-in mask. I'm guessing it's for your hair. It is formulated with algae extract, pentanol, argan oil for damaged hair and split ends. So this is what the product looks like here. And I will not be trying this on because I will be putting it in my giveaway. And last but sadly least, this is the end of the products. We have the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh, and the Baroggio retailed for $16, okay? So this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Looks like this. This retails for $38. And on the back, it has these shades here. So I'm guessing this is the blushes and the highlights. Yes, it looks like blush and highlight. And then these are the shadows here. So in my next video, I will be testing it out for you guys. Let me get this open right quick. I thought I had a face mask. I could have sworn I had the face mask, but I guess not. Alright, open. Give me my palette. Alright, box. Don't play with me. Give me my palette box. Give me my palette box. Give it to me. Thank you. Come on. Alright. So this is the outside of the packaging here. Looks just like the box itself. And then here is the shades and the shadows. Not that bad. Matter of fact, you could probably get away with using the blush as shadows too. So really, to me, there are about 3 matte shadows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other shadows. So that is what the palette looks like. And it comes with a mirror, so that is always a plus. So, you guys, what do you think? What do you think about my Boxycharm? Let me know down below. Let me know what your favorite is. Let me know what y'all want to see, because y'all know I'm about to dig up in this some way, somehow. I'm gonna figure out a way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if y'all are not subscribed to Boxycharm, make sure y'all get subscribed, because next month, no, December, we'll be doing the whole Boxylux thing. So I'll be doing unboxing for my Boxylux. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all tap that bell so y'all can get all notifications from me, so you know when I upload a video. Okay, the next video will be me trying on this stuff. So yeah, I guess I will see you when I see you. Bye y'all.